everyone. Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. Myself, Kashish Chandani, welcomes you all in our SST Edupedia. Today, we are going to discuss about importance of listening from the subject Business Communication, and it is taken from Unit 2, Obstacles to Communication in Business World, and it is for class FY BCom, FY BMS, FY BCBI and FY BAF. So let's begin. Listening skills. What is listening? Listening means hearing. We do listen at our home. Listening begins when a baby is born. As soon as the baby is born, we start talking with the baby and the baby reacts. Baby smiles. Sometimes the baby may cry also. So listening skills develops from the day we are born. We listen to many people. So what is listening exactly? It is the process of using our eyes, ears and mind to understand meaning and feelings. Not only ears are used, but our mind, our eyes are simultaneously used when we are listening. हम जब सुन रहे हैं किसी स्पीकर को या अपनी मम्मी को या हम कॉलेज में लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं या हम किसी मीटिंग में है, कॉन्फ्रेंस में है, सेमिनार में है, तो हमको ना सिर्फ ईयर्स, हमको कंसंट्रेशन से आई कांटेक्ट रखना है स्पीकर के साथ, ध्यान से सुनना है, माइंड शुड बी एक्टिव. अगर हम ध्यान से सुनेंगे तो ही हमको समझ में आएगा एंड तो ही हम वो काम वैसे सिस्टमैटिकली कर पाएंगे. So it is the process of using our eyes, ears and mind simultaneously. So listening in simple words is defined as skill of grasping both facts and feelings to interrupt the genuine content of a message. A skill, we should have a skill, एक talent होना चाहिए. Fact and feelings, जो स्पीकर बात कर रहा है, स्पीकर की फीलिंग्स को हमको समझना है, उनको क्या हमको मैसेज देना है, टू इंटरप्ट द जेन्युइन कंटेंट ऑफ अ मैसेज. व्हाटएवर द स्पीकर वांट्स टू स्पीक, वो कंटेंट हमको जेन्युइनली समझना है, तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी एक्टिवली प्रेजेंट व्हेन वी आर लिसनिंग. Listening is the most important communication skill. We probably spend more time using our listening skills than any other kind of skill. Like other skills, listening takes practice. Real listening is an active process and listening requires attention. As I told you, mind is also very important for listening. So it requires attention. It is the most important communication skill. And also we spend more time to listening than any other skill. Like other skills, listening requires practice. We have to listen properly to the speaker. We don't have to interrupt in between. We have to listen, then only we can do the action. Effective listening is the process of analyzing sounds, organizing them into recognizable patterns, interrupting the patterns and understanding the message by inferring the meaning. So I'll give you the best example when we hear the song. Sometimes by hearing an emotional or sad song, tears flow out of our eyes. We start crying. Why this happens so? Because we are engaged in that song, our mind is totally diverted in that song, we connect that song to our personal life and we start crying. This is called effective listening. So we have to analyze the sound, we have to organize them, systematically make them into a pattern, we have to interrupt the pattern and we have to understand the message very carefully and efficiently. Many of the problems we experience with people in our daily lives are primarily attributable to ineffective listening or lack of listening. When we don't listen to our boss, when we don't listen to our supervisor, or at home when we don't listen to our parents, we face problems. अगर हमको मम्मी बोलती है ये काम नहीं करना है and we just ignored it, and then what happens ultimately? We come into a problem and then yes, obviously mummy will shout that why you didn't listen to me. Effective listening takes place wherever we go. Nevertheless, not only in our organization but also in our home, in our school, in our colleges, whenever we are attending any conference, meeting, seminars or training. Listening comes first. The first and the foremost communication skill that we learn in our lives is nothing but listening. Listening, when a baby is born, as I told you, we start talking to baby. Baby listens and baby reacts to us. Slowly and gradually, after listening, baby starts speaking few words, few letters, and slowly and gradually that speaking goes to reading and then finally to writing. In this process also, listening is first and foremost. Listening is a positive and intellectual activity which involves not only understanding the content of a message but also the feeling of the speaker. Listening से हमको स्पीकर की फीलिंग्स भी पता चलती है. स्पीकर गुस्से में है या स्पीकर आज बहुत खुश है, कैसे बात कर रहे हैं स्पीकर, उनका इंटेंशन क्या है बात करने का, वो सब हमको सुनने से ही पता चलता है. कभी कभी मम्मी बहुत गुस्से में हमको डांटती है तो बाय लिसनिंग वी कम टू नो कि मम्मी आज गुस्से में है. टुडे व्हेन योर प्रोफेसर इज कमिंग एंड टीचिंग यू, बहुत खुश है प्रोफेसर, तो हमको पता चलता है कि आज मैम बहुत खुश है. द टोन ऑफ वॉइस, gestures, expressions and even silence have meaning. If today I am very quiet, I am very silently standing in the class, so you will understand that today ma'am is angry. We all have to be very quiet. Correct? Voice modulation. If I am very angry, I will raise my voice. If I am not, if I am okay, then my voice will be down. Voice modulation. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Gestures, expressions also tells a lot of things. When I want the class to be quiet, I will just do shh expressions. I will do the gestures. Automatically full class will be quiet. So understanding the feeling is called empathic or active listening. You have to train yourself to be a very good listener. Understanding the feeling. If we are understanding the feeling of a speaker, so we are active listeners. If we are not understanding, the teacher is very angry, mummy is very angry, but after listening also you are not understanding, so that listening is not effective listening. So we have to train ourselves to be a very good and fantastic listener. Importance of listening. Why listening is important? Interaction with others depends for success on your ability to listen. Skilled and sympathetic listening is the effective tool in working with people. How I am interacting with others? It depends on how much I am listening. If I will listen properly, I will interact, I will react. If I am not listening properly, how will I react? How will I reply to them? So unless instructions are carefully listened, understood and remembered, one cannot carry out the assigned work. Instructions needs to be listened carefully. If I am giving you instructions about the exam, how you have to write, so first you have to listen. Whether you have to write question or you don't have to write, whether you have to leave space in the margin or no, whether you have to highlight the important points, whether you have to underline the blanks, all these instructions if I am giving you before the exam. So you have to listen effectively, and I will also tell in the class, if you will not follow up my instructions, you will lose your marks. So everyone will listen effectively. So listening effectively will always benefit us more and more. Inefficient listening affects interpersonal relations as well as decision making and employee relations. अगर हम सुनेंगे ही नहीं अच्छे से तो रिलेशन स्पॉइल होते हैं, हम डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड एम्प्लॉय रिलेशंस भी खराब होते हैं. अगर चेयरमैन ने मैनेजर को बोला या मैनेजर ने सुपरवाइजर को बोला एंड दे डिड नॉट लिसन प्रॉपर्ली, तो रॉन्ग मैसेज विल पास इन द हायरार्की. So we have to listen properly. Many of the objectives of downward communication is from chairman to managers, managers to supervisors, supervisors to workers or employees. such as motivation and raising morale can be achieved by listening attentively rather than talking. If our boss, if our supervisor, if our managers are motivating us, we have to listen very efficiently. If we will not listen, how will we get motivation? How we will work more efficiently and effectively? For this, we have to listen carefully their instructions. Whatever they are telling us, guidelines, everything should be listened, and if they are appreciating us, that also should be listened effectively and efficiently so that we can work more good. In conferences, committees and group discussion, listening is very important for every member of the group. Whenever we are in conference or we are in meeting or we are in group discussion, we have to listen effectively. If we will not listen, how will we react? Debate is the best example. When a debate is going on in the class, one for positive side and one for negative side. If you will listen one side, then only you can react and you can tell about the negative side. If the positive side will listen what the negative side people are telling, then only they can take ahead their discussion and their debate. So listening takes place at each and every stage, at every place. Socially good listening improves conversation and social relations. Listening and remembering what you have heard is important. Not only listening, but we also have to remember. When a teacher teaches you in class, you listen properly. When we are listening, we understand कि हाँ आज मुझे ये topic BC में समझ में आया. Then the same thing when we are writing an exam, we think what ma'am explained us, what ma'am gave us the example. So this is the place where listening helps you very effectively. If you listen the lectures attentively, अगर आप lectures अच्छे से सुनते हैं, no need of learning anything. आपको समझ के लेना है, you will understand and then automatically you can write it on your own. So listening and remembering what you have heard is very, very important. Skill listening helps in finding out more information. If you are listening to the skilled people, आप बड़े बड़े लोगों का सुनते हैं, big great personalities का आप टीवी में अगर देखते हैं, ट्विटर में they tweet something. If you are hearing to Modi's speech, if you are hearing to our Prime Minister Modi's speech, or if you are hearing big seminars, or if you are attending big seminars of great personalities, it will be very informative and helpful to you, my dear students. Learning about people and their mind, you will get to know more and more about the society, more and more about the people, and you will also come to know how great they are, how much talented they are. Interpersonal relationship is improved. Your morale will increase. You will get confidence. जितना आप सुनेंगे उतना ही आप confidence आएगा आपको बात करने का. When your turn is there to speak, you will have great confidence to speak, obtaining suggestions and new ideas. Discovering why employees perform as they do, helping with solving problems. So why employees are performing like that? You first have to go to employees. अगर कोई employees, अगर कोई workers अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो आपको उनके पास जाना है, उनके प्रॉब्लम्स आपको सुनने हैं. क्यों काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ है, अगर आप सुनेंगे तो ही आप सॉल्यूशन दे पाएंगे. सो लिसनिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एट ईच एंड एवरी स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ. अगर हम बच्चों के प्रॉब्लम सुनेंगे तो ही हम उनको सॉल्यूशन दे पाएंगे कि क्या सॉल्यूशन है आपके प्रॉब्लम्स का. आपको न्यू सजेशंस मिलेंगे. यू विल गेट ग्रेट आइडियाज. सो लिसनिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, not only at lower level but at higher level also. All the levels, listening plays a very vital role. So I would like to suggest each and every student, kindly make sure that you have good listening skills. The more you will listen, the more you will grow. And never interrupt between if any speaker is speaking. अगर एक speaker बात कर रहे हैं, टीचर बात कर रहे हैं या आपकी मम्मी से बात हो रही है, कभी भी एक बात हमेशा याद रखना है, हमको बीच में नहीं बोलना है. अगर आप बीच में बोलेंगे, सुनेंगे नहीं अच्छे से कुछ भी, जो भी स्पीकर बात कर रहा है, तो आप फॉलो अप, आप कैसे वो फॉलो करेंगे, इंस्ट्रक्शंस, इंफॉर्मेशन कुछ भी हो हमको अच्छे से पहले सुनना है और उसके बाद ही हम उसको फॉलो अप कर पाएंगे. So this example I would like to give to everyone in colleges also. Whenever you are attending the lectures, listen it properly. Have good listening skill. If you have good listening skill, automatically, as I told you, it will help you to score good marks. So today we have learned about listening. Listening plays a vital role not only in organization but each and every place you go. When you are speaking to a person, when you are hearing anyone's problem, first listen to it, analyze it, think over the problem, and then only you can give the solution. I hope the topic of listening, importance of listening is clear to each and everyone. Thank you.